Match the letter with correct. Excellent. R for rose. Next question. Good job. O for owl. Next question. Try again. Try again. Great. H for hut. Next question. Good job. D for dog. Next question. Great. V for vulture. Next question. Try again. Excellent. E for elephant. Next question. Excellent. C for chameleon. Next question. Excellent. N for nail. Next question. Try again. Great. Q for queen. Next question. Good job. S for snake. Next question. Excellent. G for giraffe. Next question. Try again. Try again. Fantastic. I for inkpot. Next question. Try again. Excellent. U for umbrella. Next question. Fantastic. M for monkey. Next question. Try again. Great. K for kite. Next question.